Come tour our unit with us at the Historic Powhatan Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia. We have Unit 354C. We are in a ground floor, 2-bedroom unit. Our home away from home for the next week at Historic Powhatan. Kitchen. It has such a cute little window. The kids are gonna love this. They've already told me I have to say, order up. And over here, this is the laundry. It comes with one free laundry packet, but typically you can call down and request some more. There's also a couple of necessities. It comes with 3 dishwasher packs, a couple of garbage bags, and your soap and sponge. Also has a trash bag, and then utensils that you need for the week. Hand towels, pot holders, pots and pans, as well as baking, casserole, colander, cutting board, more silverware, and more cooking utensils. Cups and stemless wine glasses, mugs, plates, bowls, everything you need to enjoy your week. And of course, if you run out of things like coffee, dishwashing detergent, and stuff like that, you can always call and ask for more. This is a huge dining table. It would very comfortably seat all 6 people and have plenty of room for board games, cards, all that kind of stuff. Comfortable living room with a pull-out couch, light ceiling fan, a wall-mounted TV over an electric fireplace. The light switch is on this wall. Now, we have 2 of the exact same units reserved for this week, and this dresser does not belong here. That is not where it's located in our unit. This is actually our son's unit for the week, and I'm recording before he shows up. He has a nicer back view because we are back to back with another unit, so we just see other units across the way. They have a nice view of some trees. And of course, they have the same sunroom. This is my favorite space of the entire unit. I sit out there every morning with some coffee and every night with wine or, margarita, something like that. So that dresser actually belongs in this secondary bedroom. In our unit, it's located right there where this little mini nightstand is. So not sure what's going on here, why it's not here. Must be replacing it, but here is the secondary bedroom TV, 2 twin beds, normally a nice big dresser right there, and the nightstand has a little drawer there. It also has a closet with all of the bedding for the pull-out couch. I normally take out the tan blanket and I use it on the couch or as an extra blanket in the bed. Secondary bedroom is located across from the main bedroom, but before we check that out, you can see the secondary bathroom. Huge shower with a seat and everything. It's not a ton of sink space for a shared bathroom, both of our girls would have a tough time sharing this space. But the main bedroom has plenty of space. Nightstands on either side of the king bed. Both have drawers, a nice big dresser with a wall mount TV. Closet space includes a safe and a luggage rack. And the main bathroom. Again, that smaller sink, it's not my favorite, but it's a nice big shower. And if the water pressure in this room is as good as the water pressure in our bathroom, it's strong. One other feature of the main bedroom is it also has access to that really cool sunroom. That's it, the 2-bedroom ground floor unit at Historic Powhatan Resort. Comment below if you've ever stayed here and what kind of room you got, what was your experience. And remember to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can join us from there to here and everywhere in between.